In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a color system in Figma using the powerful Material Theme Builder plugin. Creating a cohesive and accessible color palette is fundamental to any great design system, and this plugin makes the process incredibly efficient, leveraging Material Design 3 guidelines to ensure your colors are not only beautiful, but also functional and harmonious. First things first, you'll want to open up Figma. Whether you're starting a brand new design file or working within an existing project, the process for generating your color system begins right within your Figma canvas. Just make sure you have your design environment ready. Once you're in Figma, navigate to the top menu bar. You'll typically find an option labeled Plugins. This is your gateway to extending Figma's functionality with various tools and integrations. Simply click on Plugins to reveal a drop-down menu of all the plugins you have installed or recently used. From that drop-down menu, locate and click on Material Theme Builder. If you don't see it, you might need to install it first via the Find More Plugins option. This plugin, developed by the Material Design team, helps create comprehensive color palettes, typography, and shape systems aligned with Material Design 3. Launching it will open a dedicated panel within Figma. Now, with the Material Theme Builder panel open, this is where the magic begins. You'll need to add an image. This image serves as the inspiration for your color system, as the plugin extracts primary color swatches directly from it. Choose an image that captures your desired mood or brand aesthetic. It's important the image is below 2 megabytes, a size constraint for optimal performance. Simply drag and drop your chosen image into the designated area. The Material Theme Builder will then analyze it and intelligently generate a foundational set of colors derived from its visual characteristics. After the plugin processes your image and generates the initial color system, you'll have options to refine and customize it. Once satisfied, the final step is to export your new color system. The Material Theme Builder offers various export options to suit your workflow. For example, you can export Figma styles, which automatically creates local color variables in your file, or a theme file in a developer-friendly format like JSON or XML. Select the appropriate export option based on how you plan to use these colors in your design system or development project, ensuring seamless integration and consistency across your designs.